Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Binance account. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download the mobile application. You'll then register using either your email address or a mobile number. Remember to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains secure from unauthorized access. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This involves submitting some personal information and uploading a valid government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license. Finally, you'll perform a quick facial verification using your device's camera, which helps Binance confirm your identity and comply with regulations. After verification, it's crucial to enhance your account security. Immediately enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS2FA for an extra layer of protection. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code. This unique code will appear in all legitimate Binance emails, helping you identify and avoid phishing attempts. With your account secured, you're ready to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from another wallet you own. Alternatively, purchase crypto using fiat currency through a bank transfer or other available payment methods. Binance offers several options, so choose the one that best suits your needs to start trading or investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.